Hey guys, so I'm here to do an unboxing of the Miss Muscle Box. I'm actually an affiliate of Miss Muscle Box. I really love them. They're awesome and they're affordable, which is great for a lot of the products. A lot of fitness products are super expensive when you're trying to get them directly. So I love the idea that I'm only paying $22 a month to get a box full of fitness goodies that I can feel guilt-free about because I didn't spend a ton of money on them. So I got my October box, walked up to my door and was like, oh my goodness. So I couldn't wait. I took all the tape off. It's beautiful powder blue color, my Miss Muscle Box. And in the front, it's got these papers. And this tells you, I guess, the prices of the two things that are in here. And you get a Miss Muscle Box and Katie Martin, which is the trainer they were working with this month. And you get a full body challenge, which is nice, full of workouts. Then, ooh girl, there's the protein popcorn and sweet cinnamon. It's got 10 grams of protein, 10 grams of net carbs, and 2 grams of sugar. I'm so excited to try these because I am crazy about cinnamon. Cinnamon is my jam. I also really like popcorn, so I'm really excited about this. Aren't you excited about this, Aries? He is very excited about it. All right, then I was excited about this. They actually did a sneak peek of this on their Instagram, on the Miss Muscle Box Instagram, of the hat. It looks like it's gonna be coming in a lot of different colors. Like some people will be getting camo, red, white, black, whichever color you get. It says Muscle Nation has designed this A-frame hat for style and comfort, using quality materials for long-lasting durability. Which color will you get? This A-frame hat is originally $27.50. That's more than this entire box, man. But I like that it's black because black goes with everything. They figured me out. I like neutrals. And then there is a SinFit protein cookie. It's gluten-free, trans fat-free, with no hydrogenated oils, and it's 20 grams of protein. There's a pumpkin spice cookie covered with vanilla icing and graham pieces. Lit. Sorry, my cat is inside of the blinds. Okay. And, ooh, another one, and it's a birthday cake cookie with vanilla icing and fruit-flavored bits. Exciting, everyone, exciting. And then, last thing in the box is actually a microfiber travel towel from Shandali. It's originally $14.99. This towel is 100% microfiber with a high thread count, which means that it's lightweight, fast drying, durable, and super soft. It is really soft. I like the fact that it's gray. It has this little like hook so you can hang it up if you're trying to just kind of let it dangle. And it's pretty large. You can fold it up and wear it around your neck, or you can use it to dry your hair off or whatever you want to use it for. I love how soft it is because it's microfiber and it has such a high thread count. It is really soft, but it also means that it will dry so fast. So if you get really sweaty on a hike or you are doused in water, you can dry yourself off super quick with this towel. So saved a lot of money in this box because the hat and the towel alone would have been about $40. So I am considering that a steal. That is a win for me on this. Thank you, Muscle Box, and I hope I can motivate you. I do want you to get the Muscle Box and then share it on social media with the hashtag MissMuscleBox, and you'll be put into the drawing to get a free Muscle Box. I'm also leaving this big link that you guys will see at the top here. And if you shop through that referral link or sign up for the Miss Muscle Box through that link, you will get $10 off your first box. Because I am an affiliate with them, I love them. I support them 110%. They're awesome. It's a great deal for all the stuff you get. Normally they have like different clothing items in here, like t-shirts. They're talking about putting like leggings and different items in here. They've done leggings in the past, crop tops, things like that that are super popular and super expensive. So this box is worth. It is worth. So shop through my link, get $10 off your first box. You can skip boxes anytime you want, and you can exchange items that don't fit. They're super, super lenient in that way and super easy to talk to. And I really, really hope that you join the Miss Muscle Nation, man. It's a good day. Thanks, guys. Bye.